I'm going to be showing you guys how I did this beautiful crochet beach curl look. My client likes getting this type of style so she can take care of her scalp and hair underneath the crochet. She uses the vitamins and drops to rejuvenate her hair follicle. Because my client has very thin hair, I usually do very smaller braids, but she didn't want it too full, so I did the braids a little bit bigger so that it wouldn't be too full. Has been dealing with very thin hair for a couple of years now. She loves this now because it's still able for her to reach her scalp to put her oil on it, and also for her to not grip the edges and just pull them out. She loves this style because you won't even tell that she has thin hair. I get to the top part, I just start sliding my crochet needle anywhere that I see a space. I just start filling it in all the way until I see no more gaps, into where you would see nothing on top. Now that I'm done with the install, I love to use this product that I use on every client with crochet. It is a curl defining leave-in conditioner, oil free, and it's so bomb for crochet. So you just lightly spray it on the hair to your liking. It is not heavy at all. And what it does is it just takes all the frizz out of the hair, and it just makes it look fresh, shiny, and it just gives that hair the new look that you need. Yes, sis, this hair is coming together. I swear by this spray. It is just giving this hair a whole new look. My clients swear by it. Everyone has it. And it helps with the maintenance of the hair. It will get you by. And another thing, this spray does not weigh down your crochet. It does not make you feel greasy. It is perfect. It's very lightweight and made for this type of hair, sis.